Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya India and Logan and Maniology MXM044. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is Zoya Logan. I don't know why I kept playing with it. It picked it up. Logan, beautiful shimmery green. And then the next one is India. And it's more of a cranberry with that beautiful same gold shimmer in it. So here we go. I'm going to get started. I am doing India on all of my nails except my thumb and my ring fingernail. And those are going to be my accent nails today. Getting a little bit sloppy with it, but it's okay. Got that skinny brush I'm fighting with, you know. Gotta get over here on the side and cap my free edge. That kind of looking right. I'm gonna have to clean that up. I just can't even leave it like that. So I'm gonna tidy this up as we go. I just cannot leave it alone. Trying to round that out a little bit. There we go. And now for Logan. Oh, these were so pretty going on, but I knew Logan for sure was gonna need at least 2 coats. I wasn't sure if it was going to need a third or not, but happy to announce it only needed 2. So there we go. Going to cap that free edge. So you can see my thumb's green too. My thumbnail, not my thumb itself, but the nail. Hi Woody, how you doing? So we're going to go on and do our second coats of India and Logan, and I just really like these two together. I'm trying to get in the Christmas spirit, y'all. I'm trying to do some Christmas nails, but, you know, what a year. It's just kind of hard to wrap your head around anything nowadays. So, we'll wrap our head around this manicure, though, I can tell you that. Getting that all prettied up. Yeah, I think 2 coats is going to work on that. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry all the way down. I got too much on my brush. Get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. Oh, that's so pretty with the top coat on it. Love it. Woody back again for some more. There we go. And now we're going to top Logan. Logan is one I wanted to get a long time ago, but I ended up picking up Ivanka instead, I think. Because I thought they were too similar, but now that I have both, I realized I needed both. They are different. There we go. Here's my swatch photo of them on their own. I'll be using Maniology MXM044 today. Got to get that blue film off of it. I'm going to rub it down with some acetone and then wipe it with a paper towel real quick. And we're just going to hop right into it. I got my Maniology stamper, my beauty scraper, and I'll be using Maniology's fleece today. Probably not the correct choice, but whatever. You know, I wasn't going back after I started, so I probably could have picked a color that would have popped a little bit more, but this ended up looking pretty good. I wouldn't say it's my favorite manicure, but it turned out okay. I'm trying to use things that I haven't used. Plates, polishes, stamping polishes. Things that have been sitting out on my desk, because that's how I do it now. I leave that stuff sitting out. So, I did clean my plate with pure acetone, and the stamper got cleaned off on my lint roller. And we're just going to pop these little, snowflake designs on the cranberry nails, Miss India color. Let me use a little bit extra of that stamp. There we go. Tap, tap. But yeah, I've been trying to use things that I haven't used, and I've got this big bucket of stuff. So I might not make the right decisions for manicures, but at least I am working through some of my untrieds. You know how that is, don't you? Let me know in the comments if you're guilty. And then, I'm sorry I'm off. There we go. Get kind of in frame. Trying to pick up this little image for my pinky nail. Get that extra up with the tape. Yep, this stamper's starting to get kind of foggy. I might have to break out a new one. Getting kind of hard to see through. There we go. It's on there. So I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush, and I've just got a little bit of cleanup, not much. And then I'm going to top everything with Maniology's smudge-free top coat. That way I don't smear this beautiful stamping hair. But I really did like it. It was, you know, a little more festive, getting kind of more in the spirit of things. And then I'm going to top everything with Poshe top coat. Get it to dry down and be safe for me to go, you know, wash dishes or whatever. But seal that all in so that the manicure will last a little while. So there we go. Getting kind of a little globby with it. A little thick, girl. Come on, be careful. Cap my free edge. Ta-da! So I really hope you enjoyed this one. You know, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And if you own any of these polishes, and if you've worn them, I love hearing from you. I hope that all is going well in your neck of the woods. And that is it for me today. Here is my swatch photo. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.